Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the life of one of the most iconic, influential, and inspiring figures in the music world. Today, we're talking about Shakira, a name synonymous with talent, resilience, and a never-give-up attitude. In a world where music is more than just entertainment, Shakira has shown us that it's a form of communication, passion, and connection. If you ever wondered how a young girl from Colombia turned into a global music sensation, this video is for you. Shakira Isabel Mubarak Ripoll was born on February 2, 1977, in Barranquilla, Colombia. From a young age, it was clear that she had a unique gift, but her journey to superstardom wasn't as simple as you might think. She wasn't born into wealth or fame. In fact, she came from a modest background. Her father, William Mubarak, was a Colombian of Lebanese descent, and her mother, Nydia Ripoll, was a Colombian of Spanish and Italian descent. They both had their roots in cultures that thrived on music and rhythm, but it wasn't until Shakira's passion for dance and music started to bloom that her true journey began. At the age of 4, Shakira was already showing signs of her extraordinary talent. It was at a family gathering that she first performed, captivating everyone with her dance moves. She loved to dance, but it was more than just moving to the rhythm. It was in her heart, and it would soon become the driving force of her life. From that moment, she knew she was meant to be on stage, sharing her voice and passion with the world. But before she could conquer the world, Shakira had to face the obstacles that often come with growing up in a place that didn't have the resources or opportunities that larger cities might offer. Despite her incredible talent, she faced her own struggles. At 8 years old, Shakira wrote her first song, and by 10, she had started performing in local restaurants. Can you imagine a young girl, barely out of childhood, singing for her supper, dreaming big but battling the realities of her small town? That determination, that passion to make it no matter what, that's the heart of Shakira's story. Her first breakthrough came when she was just 13. She signed a record deal with Sony Colombia after her performance caught the attention of an executive. However, her first 2 albums didn't quite hit the mark. In fact, they were both commercial flops. Most people might have given up, but not Shakira. She was just getting started. She spent years refining her craft, expanding her knowledge of music, and developing her unique sound, a blend of Latin, pop, and rock influences. And then, in 1995, something incredible happened. Shakira released her 3rd album, Pies Descalzos, Barefoot. It became a massive success in Latin America, and she began gaining recognition in the Spanish-speaking world. But the real magic happened in 2001, when Shakira released Laundry Service, her first English-language album. It included hits like Whenever, Wherever, and Underneath Your Clothes, songs that took her from being a regional star to a global phenomenon. Her blend of infectious Latin rhythms, poetic lyrics, and her signature belly dancing style captivated audiences everywhere. Shakira wasn't just a singer. She was an artist who redefined music in her own image. As her career soared, so did her ability to connect with people. But Shakira is more than just a famous name. She is an example of resilience, humility, and hard work. She didn't just stop at music. She used her platform for greater good. Throughout her life, she's been a passionate advocate for education and children's rights. She founded the Barefoot Foundation, which focuses on providing quality education to underprivileged children in Colombia. With her own humble beginnings, Shakira knew what it felt like to face adversity. And that's exactly why she dedicates so much of her success to making a difference in the lives of others. Her story isn't just about fame and fortune. It's about overcoming challenges and making an impact. One of the most touching moments in Shakira's life was when she used her fame to support her native Colombia. In 2008, after the Colombian government struggled with violence and poverty, Shakira made it her mission to bring attention to these issues through her charitable foundation. She has since worked closely with global organizations, including UNICEF, advocating for children's rights and helping communities that are most in need. She wasn't just a star. She was a beacon of hope for millions of people around the world. And then, of course, there's her personal life, which, just like her career, has been a blend of highs and lows. In 2010, Shakira met soccer star Gerard Piqué, and the two began a relationship that caught the attention of media and fans alike. They have 2 children together, and Shakira's devotion to her family is just as strong as her commitment to her music. But it wasn't always easy. Like many public figures, Shakira faced immense pressure from the public eye, and she had to navigate the challenges of balancing her family life with her international career. But through it all, she remained grounded, a testament to her inner strength and character. Shakira's legacy is not just built on her chart-topping hits or her record-breaking performances. It's built on her authenticity, her fearlessness, and her ability to stay true to herself. She didn't follow the crowd. She created her own path. She taught us that the key to success is not just talent. It's the ability to overcome failure, to adapt, to learn, and to give back. Her journey reminds us all that no dream is too big, no goal is too impossible, and that with dedication and heart, anything is possible. As we wrap up this incredible journey through Shakira's life, let's take a moment to reflect on the lessons she teaches us. First, never underestimate the power of hard work. Shakira didn't come from privilege, but she used her passion and determination to create a legacy that will last for generations. Second, always stay true to who you are. In a world that's constantly changing, Shakira's authenticity has been her greatest strength. And lastly, remember that success isn't just about personal achievement. It's about using your platform to make the world a better place. Shakira's story is a reminder to all of us that with passion, perseverance, and a heart for others, we can achieve greatness, no matter where we come from. If you've enjoyed learning about Shakira's inspiring life and want more stories of incredible people who have shaped the world, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Ali Trainings Official, for more motivational content. Keep striving, keep dreaming, and keep working towards your goals. Because like Shakira, you too have the power to make a difference. Thank you for watching, and remember, greatness is within you.